have to follow the rules of BODMAS. B is for brackets. O is for off. Off means multiplication. D is division. M is multiplication, which is shown by a cross sign. A for addition and S for subtraction. Now this BODMAS denotes the order of operations to be performed. When the simplification is given, which operation you need to perform first is denoted by BODMAS. According to it, the brackets are to be solved. Off followed by 4 operations of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction is done. The operations cannot be performed in the order in which they appear in an expression. It will be more clear when we do a sum. But before solving a simplification sum, let us see how many types of brackets are there. So the first symbol here is that of a dash, vinculum. It is known as vinculum. If in a simplification sum there is any operation under the vinculum sign, then we have to solve that operation first before doing anything else. Next is the first bracket, which you can see in the second symbol. It is a round bracket, or it is also called parenthesis. So the next order will follow any operations given within this round bracket, or it is also called first bracket or parenthesis. Third, we have to do the operations which are inside curly brackets, or it is also called second bracket or braces. And then we have to take up all the operations which are given inside the square or the box bracket. We also call it third bracket. So first vinculum, second is first bracket or round bracket, third is the curly bracket or third bracket, second bracket, and fourth is the square or box like bracket, which we call it third bracket also. Now let us do one simplification sum from the exercise shown here. You can note down all the sums first by pausing the video, and then one by one we will take up the sum. Before doing the simplification, we have to remember to follow BODMAS. B for bracket, O for off or multiplication, D is for division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now let us see this through the first sum. We have minus 25 plus 12 divided by first bracket, and inside the first bracket is 9 minus 3. So here we have to first check that we have a first bracket. So whatever is within the first bracket, we have to do it first. So we will take down all other integers, and then we have to solve 9 minus 3 is 6. In our next step, we have to identify which step has to be done first. So after bracket is off, we don't have any off, we have a division. So division is here. So note down the other digits and the signs exactly in the same way, and then 12 divided by 6 is 2. Now we are left with minus 25 plus 2. Here comes our previous knowledge of sign rules, that is minus and plus is minus in our mind, minus and plus. Do minus in our mind, So 25 minus 2 is 23. And answer according to bigger number sign. So here the bigger number is 25 and it is carrying a minus sign in front of it. So it is minus 25. So our answer will carry a minus sign. Now let's do the second sum, which is 29 minus, within square bracket is 38 minus, then curly bracket 40 divided by 2 minus first bracket 6 minus 9 divided by 3, again bracket close and divided by 3, then curly bracket and square bracket. So first we need to solve the first bracket. Inside the first bracket we have two operations. One is subtraction, another one is division. So according to board mass, we have to do the division first. Rest of the numbers and brackets and signs has to be copied down exactly. And then we will start doing whatever is inside the first bracket. Put the first bracket because there are two steps. First division, then subtraction. So 6 minus 9 divided by 3 is 3. Close the bracket. Division sign 3, curly bracket and square bracket. Now again within the first bracket is subtraction, so we have to do that. 29 minus curly bracket 40 divided by 2 minus 6 minus 3 within the first bracket. So we have to solve this and the answer is 3 divided by 3, then again curly bracket and box bracket. So 29 minus, we are copying all other thing. Now here you see we have two divisions within the curly bracket. So first we will do 40 divided by 2, which is 20. Then this minus will come down and this 3 divided by 3 is 1. Curly bracket closed and box bracket closed. So 29 minus box bracket 38 minus, then 20 minus 1 is 19, bracket close. 29 minus, put the box bracket or the third bracket, then 38 minus 19 is what? We get 19. Actually there was no need of this third bracket, we could have done it directly. So 29 minus 19 is 10. So now see, here we have plus 29 minus 29. Plus minus is perform minus in your mind. So 29 minus 19 is 10. The bigger number is 29. So the answer gets a positive sign. So we don't write the positive sign, we just write 10 as an answer. In my next video, that is video 2, we will be doing the 3 next sums. So before seeing the video, if you solve the 3 next sums and watch my second video on this topic, it will be helpful for you to check whether you understood and whether you can do the sums or not. So till the next video, bye bye.